Hi, this is Dustin with TWPD. We are making some repair videos to show our new techs on how to repair phones. So if you're interested in becoming a tech, you can always go to www.tech-md.com. Okay, so today we're going to be repairing an iPhone 4S. So first we want to take out the battery. Now this customer previously did this repair here and he screwed up some stuff. Okay, and we're going to go in here and pop off the battery. They're a little bit harder when they've never been opened. I'm going to go ahead and remove this screw here. Pop that off. I'm going to take a flathead and remove these motherboard screws. Just lots of screws, just keep on removing. That's the cable he broke. Just keep on popping off. Now, he also missed a cable right here, or this piece here. I'm just going to show you. So that piece comes off right here. We'll put it back on.
Sis, what happened to you?
And pull that off. Don't worry about it if that pops off. You just pop it back on. That's supposed to have this rubberized gasket piece right here, and it's missing.
Alright, sis, you're up, Nick. Okay.
Take out the motherboard screw here. Pop this off and then just clip it back in there. Okay, now we need to remove the SIM card reader. So get our SIM card popper. Pop that out. Pull the motherboard out. And remove the vibrator with the iSesame tool. Unscrew this. They're all missing the washers, unfortunately. This side has one. I just do a half turn to get that out. Both of these screws are missing up top too. There's supposed to be some screws there.
You gotta fall away to get to him.
Oh yeah, that's garbage. Okay, now we need a screen. Put the home button on. Make sure your home button is lined up correctly and there's a new mesh in there. If not, just take out your old mesh. Or if there is, take out your old mesh. Okay, plug this in, adjust it, watch your cables, and slide them through.
We're all catching up to each other.
Kind of fun to get through.
What? Who's in your bubble? I'm in your bubble. Oh shit! I overshot my landing. I was coming in hot. Dear Christian, feed us. Come here, Daddy. Take your bottle. Ah, okay, good so well. Neener, mama. Okay. Why is Christian up in the air? Oh.
Oh, that's how you put the washer back on. Just have a magnetic screwdriver. Fortunately, he did not give me any of the other magnet or
Christian did a different one. He's not going to be in our game.
washers. Just get to the opposite corners since I only got 2 screws.
Hey, Christian's in our game.
Put that on there. Oh, I found a screw. Maybe that's one of them.
That should be a 73.
Okay, and then bend out these cables.
Come in.
And then make sure that gets under the frame.
Hello. Justin's grandma here.
And I'm going to get the other screw in here.
You
Hello.
guys don't know me. You probably don't want me just coming in.
You're fine.
I'm sure.
You're picking up, right?
Yep.
Okay. 1 second here. Okay, so once we get all those cables plugged in here, we can start off with this here and line that up.
Dad's here. That's the one we're going to. Oh, we should have done the cove. Is the cove a good one?
Plug in the camera here. Now let's plug in all of our connections. That connection first, then the long one, then the short one.
You bit my shit and ripped the hole in it. You little cock of poop. You little smurfinator.
Okay, and plug in that cord there, which I just did. Get this halfway in there, and then take your flathead and screw the rest in. Same with the bottom one here.
Come on.
Doesn't matter whatever order you want to go in
Put it in, guys.
with this.
You can't be the lady.
Gary, I'm recording.
Oh, okay.
You're gonna make my audience laugh at you. Whatever small audience that is. Plugging everything back in and screwing everything down.
I was coming in way too hot. Just what happened to you?
Did you die too?
Yeah,
Make sure that
I was coming in hot.
antenna piece there is lined up so we can put the screw through it.
I went for a moment, but they're there.
Emily, I got that under 11 minutes. There you go. iPhone 4S completely done.